The predictor helps students write more accurately and fluently. Tap the predictor icon to show the tool. The predictor will follow the cursor as you type. Tap a word to select it. To hear predictions before selecting them, tap the sound shift tool and then the word.
Man.
The predictor can offer words based on the sounds of the letters typed. These appear in gray. When the on-screen keyboard is used, you can see that the predictor sits above the keyboard. Predictor will sit above the keyboard or word bar to maximize space for words. To customize the predictor, tap on the Options ribbon. Tap. And then tap Suggestions. You can tap the predictor for more options. We could adjust the priority of the phonetic predictions or turn them off completely. We could turn Predict Next Word off. And we can set the amount of vocabulary in the predictor's database.